In this video, I'll show you how to write scientific formula like H2O and CO2 in Microsoft Excel. So this is what you want at the end. Let me show you how I did it. First, type what you want. There we have it, H2O and CO2. But they don't look like this. So the way to do it, click in the cell, and then at the top in the formula bar, you need to highlight the individual letter or number that you wish to change. I find the easiest way to do it is to click in there, and on my keyboard, press Shift and the arrow key backwards to highlight the individual letter, or in this case, number. The next step, once you've got it highlighted, is to click on the small arrow at the bottom of the font section in Excel. So you should be in Home, you've got Font, and you've got this small arrow here. If you click on that, it will open up Font Settings. Then in the Effects section, you've got Strike Through, which we don't want to use. You've got Superscript, which will put the number high above the letters, or you've got Subscript, which will drop it down below, which is exactly what we want to do. So tick the box for Subscript, click OK, and there you have H2O. I'll show you once again how to do it with this one. So I've clicked in the box, I've highlighted the number, go to Font, click on the small arrow, go to Subscript, click OK, and there we have CO2. Hopefully you found this video useful. If so, please like the video, subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips.